Welcome to the Bosworth Community Center Yoga class. This is 10 minutes jogging. Try to do at least 3 times a week. Just walk. This is the first test of jogging. You are walking at your own pace. Tapping your feet on the ground. Move your arms. Move your legs. And keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Listen to the sound of your breath. You can place your hands on your waist and keep on walking. You can start with slow walking and go faster when you feel you are ready. Coordinate your body movement with your breath. You can follow this yoga video either in the morning or evening. Anytime you feel you are ready, you can breathe out through your mouth whenever you want, but try to breathe in through your nostrils always. Take a deep cleansing breath and breathe out. You can repeat this jogging. Maybe you are starting with 20 times, then increase up to 30, 40. Next one, when you are breathing out, you are lifting your knees high near to your chest. Breathing in, when you are neutral posture, breathing out, lifting your knees high. Breath in, out. Inhale, feel the presence of air in your body and exhale to relax. Beautiful job. Now you can go more faster if you feel you want to do. It enhances the blood circulation around your body, good for all your body joints. Relax. Lifting your both elbows up, make a nice and simple fist with your hands. When you are breathing out, right elbow, left knee together. Breathing in the neutral. Breathing out, left elbow, right knee together. And enjoy at your own pace, like you are moving your body with ocean, like you are dancing with your breath. Keep on breathing. You are breathing in now for your mind, for your body. Enjoy. Now, when you feel you want to stop, you can stop. Take a deep, cleansing breath. Breathe out through your mouth. Beautiful job. One more. 3 breaths will make your body relax. Now we are ready for next step. So clap your hands and tap on your respective ankle or your foot. Breathing in, when you are neutral posture, you are clapping in. Breathing out, tap on your ankles. So repeating 20 to 30 times or as long as you want. Keep breathing. Beautiful job. Deep breath. Back to the neutral and relax. Ready for deep breathing yoga jogging. Inhaling, opening your arms, open your chest. Exhale to touch your thighs. Like Inhale, join your hands in Namaste. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Bring your hands on your waist. Take a deep clenching breath. Stretch your body up. As you're breathing out, bend your legs by your knees and push your hips down. You are folding your legs by your knees. Very good exercise for your knee joints. Repeating 20 to 30 times or as long as you want. Place your both hands on your knees, bend your legs by your knees. As you inhale, take a big circle and exhale to stop. 10 times you can do clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Inhale, make a big circle with your knees. Exhale to stop. Beautiful job. Relax. Inhale to open your both arms up. Join your hands on the top of your head. Exhale, hands in Namaste. Open your both legs around 1 meter distance, arms in front of you. Make a fist as you inhaling, your body in neutral position or in the center. Exhaling, you are sitting on your right knee. Inhale, exhale, sitting on your left knee. Keep on swapping your knees. Again, you are moving your body like a ocean, dancing with the ocean. Enjoy this breath. Keep on pushing your hips a bit down so you're having deeper stretch in your inner thigh, your pelvic region. Beautiful job having a stretch on your hamstring. Inhale to relax your hands. You can jump back and then come back to again open legs and open arms position. As you ready to exhale, right hand to your left foot, left hand to your right foot. Keep on swapping according to your own comfortability. Carry on. Inhale, slowly lift your head. Lift your body first and then your head is the last one, which will come back to the neutral posture. Relax. Now you really done hard work. This is time to sit back, relax and focus on alternate nostril breathing. So place your two fingertips, your middle finger, index finger between your both eyebrows. As you inhaling, use your both nostrils. When you exhale, close your one nostril. So inhale. As you exhale, close your left nostril, breathe out through your right. Inhale. Change your nostril. Now you are breathing out through your left nostril. Inhale deep. Retain your breath. Exhale through your left nostril. Inhale deep. Swap your nostril when you are ready and exhale through your other nostril. Carry on, breathing in and out. By switching your nostril, you can check out this alternate nostril breathing properly described on other video of Bosworth Community Center yoga practice. Relax. This alternate nostril breathing opens all the energy channels which carries oxygen around your brain and around your body. Now time for relaxation. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for joining me today.